Now similarly, our next entry is of 17 January 2020, and it says raise purchase orders to Mr. Shahid. Order number is 49. So it is purchase order. Let's go to Peachtree. Under the vendors and purchases section, purchase order is here. Click on new purchase order. Now vendor name is Mr. Shahid. So Shahid is our existing vendor. So I'll just select that. Purchase order number is also mentioned, 49. And the date is 17 January 2020. So it automatically sets up the date of goods through, means when it is due to be delivered. You can either change it if you want to. Let's make it 17th January. Now quantity is 25 for Corolla windscreen. 25 for Corolla windscreen, and the rate is 12,000. So rate is intact, it hasn't changed. Next one is 30 quantity for Civic headlights. Quantity is 30. Item is Civic headlights, and the rate is 35,000. Now for this, the rate has majorly changed. It is 54,000 now. So 54,000. This makes the total to 1620,000. 1620,000. Suzuki wheel cups is our next item. The quantity is 450. No, sorry. The quantity is 20. 20 and 504 is rate. 20 for Suzuki wheel cups, and rate is 504. 504. Now before finally entering, let's just first confirm the amounts in total and then confirm the products. Corolla windscreen headlights and wheel cups. Windscreen headlights and wheel cups. Now date is correct, all okay. Now let's save and close. Now if we go in the purchase order again, it will not ask you for the second confirmation to post, because it doesn't, purchase orders and sales order doesn't affect the financial or doesn't have the financial impact on the financial reports like trial balance, balance sheet. So it doesn't ask for the confirmation, and even our smart posting is also stopped. So that's why it doesn't ask for the second confirmation. Now this is how we enter purchase orders in Peachtree.